A very good morning to all of you from Team Wordaholics. At Wordaholics, we have the agenda of helping students. We are in the mission of helping students across India and learners across the globe master some difficult vocabulary words which might seemingly be looking difficult, but we help them learn these words in such a simple way that the learners can remember this word for a very long time, maybe permanently, through the use of mnemonics, visual method, through underlining, and a host of other usage related things that you'll be finding in some time. Now, as is the tradition with Wordaholics, we keep on sending our students 5 daily words. So the words for today are minutiae, misnomer, misogynist, mitigate, and mojo. Now, out of these 5 words, the words that we'll be discussing today are misnomer, mitigate, and mojo. We'll be leaving the first word, minutiae, for the time being, because this is an advanced level course, I guess, word meant for an advanced level course. If you're interested in this word, you can pause this video and have a look at the word. We'll move on to the next word now. The word is misnomer. Misnomer stands for something which is a wrong or inaccurate name or a designation for something. It's a mithya naam. Hindi में mithya naam, झूठा नाम कह सकते हैं. Antonym is there's no antonym as of now. Pronunciation is a misnomer. It's very similar to the word. There's no technical details in remembering this word for pronunciation. It's simple as it is. Mnemonic, how do I remember this word for a longer time? What is the shortcut for remembering? What is the secret for remembering this word for a longer time? When you miss the name, it sounds like miss, you're missing something, and nomer. Look at the word misnomer. There are 2 parts to it, underlined 2 parts, miss and nomer. When you miss somebody's name, nom sounds like name. When you miss somebody's name for something else, then you are confusing the names. So basically that is what a misnomer is. How do I use these words? There are 5 to 6 usages we give to the students from across the best resources, best articles, best magazines, best online blogs across the world. So these are some of the usages for this word misnomer. Usage is something of a misnomer, bit of a misnomer. Sentence 1, the EMI trap, zero interest costs are a misnomer. There is no such thing. Sentence 2, asthma is not taken seriously as it is not considered fatal. This, however, is a misnomer. 30 million are affected in India. Sentence 3, no energy is clean. That's a misnomer propagated by hipsters and fraud ministers. Sentence 4, the word spices are used as a misnomer to describe hot food when actually spices provide different aromas and flavors. We'll leave this word misogynist for the time being, because I think most of you would be knowing it's somebody who is a woman hater. He does not like women, is a sexist, chauvinist, anti-feminist person, is a misogynist. If you are interested in this word, you can pause the video once again and have a look at this word. We'll look at the word mitigate. What is the meaning of mitigate? Mitigate basically means to reduce, to diminish, to lessen, to soothe, to relieve, to soften, to temper. घटाना हिंदी में कह सकते हैं, घटाना किसी चीज़ को कम करना, घटाना इज़ बेसिकली मिटिगेटिंग. एंटोनिम वुड बी टू इंक्रीज. घटाना अगर मिटिगेट का मतलब है तो उल्टा क्या होगा? टू इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिफाई इंटेंसिटी, टू इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज़ मिटिगेट. मिटिगेट. Gate, it's gate, G-A-Y-T, gate. It's not mitigate, G-A-T, it's G-A-Y-T as it is pronounced. Now, how do I remember this word for a longer time? Imagine somebody ordering that there should be no mitti on the gate. You have to reduce the mitti on the gate because it looks very bad. At the entrance of a particular house, if the gate is not properly cleaned, it looks very odd. So somebody has ordered you to mitigate the mitti at the gate. So that is how probably you will remember this particular word. Look at the word mitigate. It sounds like, it looks like as if it's composed of 2 words, mitti and gate. You combine these words and you have mitigate. To reduce the mitti from the gate is how you'll remember it. Usage is mitigate the problems, help mitigate the suffering. Sentence 1, BITS Pilani students demand government to regulate the sale of acid in open market. The campaign will help mitigate acid attacks. Sentence 2, several states are working to mitigate the impact of the ban on liquor imposed by Supreme Court by declassifying highways. Excuse the word court, it should be C-O-U-R-T, not S-O-U-R-T. Sentence 3, amidst all the discussion surrounding beef ban, US research says banning cow slaughter may help mitigate global warming. Sentence 4. Modi's Berlin trip is likely to make India a global design and manufacturing hub. German SMEs will also help to mitigate India's unemployment problem. Now the next word is mojo. What does mojo mean? It's a very trendy word in today's time. Mojo means something of a magic power, a talisman, a spell. It's very popular among the millennials. It's very popular among the latest corporate executives also. Finding your mojo is how you would relate to. If you have read this particular, if you have come across this particular word, what's your mojo? How do you find your mojo? Is how it is actually used in the sentences across. So, what is the Hindi for this particular word? Jadoo, tona, tantra, mantra. Antonym would be jinx or a curse. So, when you are in mojo, you have a magic charm, you have a magic power, right? So pronunciation is mojo, very similar to the word mojo. How do I remember this word for a longer time? Look at the particular picture, the visual way of learning. You remember whenever you look at the word mojo, try to recall of the word magician. A magician's job is like M for magician, J-O for job. A magician's job is to cast a spell or magic among his audience, in his audience. That is what an mojo means actually, to cast a spell. Usages: to lose their mojo, Modi mojo, box office mojo. The magic of Modi, the magic of box office. Sentence 1. Infosys has got its mojo back, has beaten street expectations for the third consecutive quarter. Sentence 2. Just when Indian e-commerce was losing its mojo, Chinese major Alibaba has promised to keep things hot. Sentence 3. Rahul finds his mojo, rocks Lok Sabha with his speech. Sentence 4. Mumbai regaining its flood and foods and beverages mojo with its brand openings and a redefined bar scene. Sentence 5. Donald Trump struggles to regain his mojo, having hit a rough patch in the campaign. So I think with that particular word, we have reached the end of this particular presentation from Wordaholics on vocabulary words which are very important for competitive exams like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, UPSC, SSC, banking, and all those exams. And as we keep on saying with Wordaholics, keep sounding sophisticated and score more. And if you have a friend, if you have a relative, if you have a peer, if you have a colleague, if you have anybody who would be interested in learning words the way we do, ask them to WhatsApp or SMS ADD to 9546307452. That is the WhatsApp number to receive these power words daily for free. Also, since I have been in this particular industry of teaching vocabulary words to students, I have compiled a book for somebody who is interested in mastering spoken English, somebody who is interested in mastering fluency in the shortest possible time. The name of the book is How to Speak English Fluently and Impress People in Just 30 Days. And that is a compilation of the best resources from across the world, and it will help you improve your fluency, improve your English language spoken skills as soon as possible. Why have I done that? Because I'm really concerned by the number of people who cannot speak English properly in India. According to statistics, according to numbers, more than 90% of the people across India cannot speak English properly, and that is a very limiting thing that derails their careers, brings to halt any ambitions that they have. Most of the students, engineering graduates, most of the graduates are also not able to speak properly. So if you have somebody who would be interested in that kind of a course, if you have somebody who would be interested in that kind of a book, the link for that same is provided in the description below. That's all for today. Thank you so much.